Finally, the father of all smartphone is back. Nokia is about to blow everyone away by releasing a phone with 5 cameras on the back, and this could be 2019's first major flagship. One of the most exciting rumored feature of the Nokia 9 or Nokia 9 PureView as it might be called is a penta-lens camera on the back, and now leaked renders have given us a close look at that along with the rest of the phone. So here we have the official first look and the renders shared by a reliable leaker at the rate OnLeaks on behalf of 91 Mobiles actually shown 7 circles on the back of the Nokia 9, with 5 of them are expected to be lens, one a dual LED flash, and the last probably a proximity sensor of some kind. The leak doesn't say what the 5 lenses are used for, but guess that they include telephoto lens, wide angle lens, and depth sensing lens among others. The screen meanwhile is said to be 5.9 inches with an 18:9 aspect ratio, and as you can see guys, it has bezels above and below, and thank god there is no notch here. There's also no sign of the fingerprint scanner, so I think that it's built into the display. There may also be a facial recognition system, especially as the single lens front camera is joined by 2 sensors of some kind. The dimension of the Nokia 9 is said to be 15.5 x 75 x 7.9 mm, and it appears to have a metal frame and glass back like so many other flagships. Finally, you will note that there is seemingly no sign of a headphone port. As with any leak, we did take this with a pinch of salt, especially as it doesn't line up with every previous leak. Some, for example, claims that Nokia 9 will have just a dual lens camera, though these are mostly very old rumors. Still, this leak comes from a reliable source and is the clearest look we had yet had at the possible handset, so there's a good chance that this is accurate. We should find out before too long. While earlier rumors pointed to launch this year, more recent information suggests that the Nokia 9 might not land until early 2019. So, let's see what happens in the future, and what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.